Hi, in this video let me show you how to fix in case Apple CarPlay is not working with your Nissan Altima, Sentra, Rogue and probably other models. Even if you connect it using the cable, nothing is happening. I'll show you different solutions, so let's start with the easiest. The first thing you need to do, is to restart your phone. Sometimes it's not the car, it's the phone, so drag down from the top right corner, keep press the power button, and we're gonna power it off. Wait a few seconds and then power back your phone. This is the easiest thing you can try before trying anything more complicated. And while it's restarting, I suggest you do the same thing with your car. So go ahead, shut it off completely, open the door, close the door, and power on the car again. After doing this, go ahead, plug your phone in the car and see if it's working. If you're still having issues, let's go to tip number 2. So for tip number 2, we need to make sure that Siri is enabled on your iPhone and also that Apple CarPlay is turned on. You're going to go in the settings. You're going to go down and one of the options should be Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on it. And here you're going to go down and make sure that Allow Siri when locked is turned on. Then go back. You're going to search down below in the search bar CarPlay. Tap on CarPlay. Here tap on your Nissan Connect. And make sure that Allow CarPlay while locked is turned on as well. And another thing that you can do is to go again in settings, go in general, software update, and if there is an update pending, you need to install it. Sometimes if you're on an old version, unfortunately, you can have issues with CarPlay. In my case, I'm on the latest update. So after doing what I showed you on your iPhone, go ahead, connect your phone to your car and see if CarPlay is turning on. If you're still having issues, maybe the problem is with the actual cable you're using. I know it happened to me in the past. After a few months, I bought a very cheap USB cable and I guess the connection broke somewhere inside of the cable and that was the reason I wasn't able to connect. So I highly recommend you try using another USB cable. One that is compatible with data transfer. Those cheap USB cables that you can buy sometimes at the dollar store are only for charging. You absolutely need a cable that is good for data transfer. I'll put a link in the description if you don't have one and you want to get one from Amazon. But basically the cable that came with your iPhone, the white one, I think I still have it there. That's a good cable to use for CarPlay. So get a quality cable and I suggest you connect it in another USB port. So I was using the USB type A. I suggest you use the other USB port to connect your phone. Sometimes again these USB ports are going bad and try the other one. Both are working with CarPlay. If you're still having issues after trying all these tricks, I suggest you start fresh by deleting the Nissan from your iPhone. On the iPhone, I'll go back into the settings. In the settings, I will go back into the CarPlay option. So I'll go in search here and type CarPlay. I'll tap on CarPlay. Nissan Connect, that's the one we want. I will tap on it and I'll select forget this car to delete it. Forget. It's done. Now let me show you how to connect your phone again with your Nissan, like a brand new phone you would have got. So the first step before connecting your phone to your car, what I suggest is you go into the settings of your iPhone. We need to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. So over here you see Bluetooth on, I'm good. Take a USB cable, plug the cable in either the USB number 1 or the USB number 2. Now connect your phone to the USB cable and in a few seconds it should be recognized over there and Apple CarPlay should start. So over here I'm going to say allow, continue, I'm waiting. And now CarPlay appeared on the lower portion of the screen here. Before it wasn't there. So I'll press on it. And here we go. You have access to Apple CarPlay. Now, if after plugging your phone, you don't see this appearing, CarPlay is not appearing here and nothing is happening on your phone, what I suggest is you go into the settings, you swipe like this, you go in apps, CarPlay, and make sure that here always is the option that is selected. Because sometimes it's never, and that's not the right option. You should select always. Every time you want to get to CarPlay, you're going to press the menu button and it will always be in the section down below. So this is CarPlay. You can swipe left and right to get to your apps, just like on your iPhone. And if you want to go back to your Nissan menu, well, you can click the menu button here and you'll be back. Or let me go back into CarPlay. You can click the Nissan app and it will bring you back to your radio and other stuff. The apps that you see currently on the display are the apps that are compatible with CarPlay, because not all apps that you have on your phone will appear over here. And if you want to change the order in which these apps are displayed, for example, let's say I'm gonna use YouTube Music quite often, therefore I don't want it to be on the second page, I want to bring it right on the top here. Well, you cannot simply do it on the screen. We have to go on the iPhone to change the order. Open settings. We need to go into the CarPlay settings, so I'll go and search here, type CarPlay, open CarPlay. Your Nissan should be under My Cars. Tap on it. Select apps, and here are all the apps that are on CarPlay. If you want to change the order, as I said, let me find my YouTube Music here and I will bring it on the top so I don't have to search for it on the second page. And you can see these change live on the display of your car. So let's say I don't want the Nissan app to be there. I can bring it down and as you see, it updates in real time. Now you can also select in your Nissan CarPlay menu on your phone, Widgets. And here you're going to have access to two stacks, stack number 1 and stack number 2 of widgets. You can add widgets by pressing add widgets. You can change the order, and to see your widgets on CarPlay, you're going to swipe towards the right side once. And here you're going to see your Google Maps and whatever is playing, a podcast, your music. But if you swipe again towards the right side, you're going to see your widgets appearing and you can shuffle through them by going up and down. You can use this button on the steering wheel of your car to talk to Siri. Or you can say, "Hey Siri." Cancel. To ask about weather, to ask about texting somebody, you can say to call one of your contacts. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.